I'm Jason Booth. I'm the CEO for the Family YMCA of Lancaster and Fairfield County, and we are very excited to get our new dehumidifier installed for the Wendel pool in our facility. The need for this dehumidification system was critical because of the issues that it caused in the building, but also we wanted a pleasant experience for our users of the space.
What the folks here in Lancaster are going to be getting is a much more fully developed system than they had before. So when the original dehumidifier was installed here at the Fox Family YMCA in Lancaster, we're talking about technology that was from right around 2000.
So it's been 3 or 4 years easily that replacement has been a consideration. It's designed to have a dehumidifier, and so when it doesn't work, you can really feel it in the space. Without the humidity controls, that starts to damage the facility itself and just the overall enjoyment and use for the space.
The folks at Lancaster YMCA reached out to me about their pool dehumidification system. We did determine they had refrigeration leaks, compressors were out. So at that time we determined that it probably was in their best interest to go ahead and replace it instead of putting more money into it.
We at HVAC Solutions will step in and assist in choosing the right dehumidifier. Desert Aire provides custom dehumidification solutions. There are millions and millions of possible ways for this thing to be designed, and it's our job to be the experts in matching a project with the right equipment for it.
I knew it was going to be an extensive project because of where the dehumidifier is located in the building. A lot of times these are located on roofs, but this one is built in between the 2 floors of our facility. So when this addition was built in 2000, the building was built and they left a hole in the wall, and the unit was brought into the building and put into place. How it was brought in is how originally was how it's going to have to go out and come in this time.
And that's one of the big things that drove the path to selecting the equipment. Specifically the fact that this unit was built, tested, split into slices, and shipped that way so that it could be slid into the space because the whole facility had been built around the original dehumidifiers back in the early 2000s.
To my knowledge, no other manufacturer builds and fully functionally tests a unit, then sections it, ships it, and then has it installed.
The biggest obstacle is the small space that we have to work with upstairs. Some of the ductwork, the existing mechanicals that are in the space, just the logistics of getting things in and out was our biggest challenge on this project. So with this unit that we're installing, the Desert Aire dehumidification unit, it has a condensing unit that sits on the roof. So there's an existing condensing unit on the roof now. So we'll bring the crane in to help us lift that old one off and to set the new one onto the top.
What makes us proud is the complexity of which the team came together to conquer the challenges as far as the space allocations, the room conditions, the modifications that the building has taken place since the first unit went in, and just to strategically work those plans out.
It was perfectly planned and well executed, and you can't even notice a difference on the outside of the building now. It was wonderful, wonderful work. The humidity levels in the space are night and day compared to the old unit. Users of the facility in the pool will feel it.
With HVAC Solutions being a 35-year plus rep for Desert Aire, they can add benefit to the project in every project that they have. Everything that they touch, they're going to add a benefit because they understand it more in depth.
You're dealing with an important project, a high stakes project. You want to reach out to somebody who can help you get the answers to the questions you didn't even realize you needed to ask. And that's one of the values that HVAC Solutions brings to the table, is that we are dealing with pool rooms every day. Are you thinking about potentially replacing your natatorium dehumidifier? Call HVAC Solutions for help today.